AI assistants are no longer simple chat tools. They are fully capable digital workers who can take on a wide range of tasks. They can brainstorm ideas, outline content, generate scripts, and write polished posts for blogs, YouTube, TikTok, newsletters, and product pages. They can also research market trends, competitor strategies, keyword opportunities, and niche profitability. For your business operations, AI can help draft emails, respond to customers, prepare proposals, and generate marketing assets. Essentially, an AI assistant becomes your strategic partner. It saves time, reduces workload, and accelerates execution. With the right prompts, you can operate like a full content agency or marketing team. This transforms the speed at which you can test ideas, launch products, and build income streams. Content creation is one of the most time-consuming parts of building passive income, yet AI makes it incredibly simple. You can generate full blog posts and articles, script entire videos, and write weekly newsletters in minutes. AI can optimize content for SEO, readability, structure, and engagement, allowing you to compete with top creators. For social media, you can instantly produce captions, hooks, call to actions, hashtags, and carousel copy. One major advantage is repurposing. AI can turn a single blog post into a script, a YouTube summary, a TikTok script, 10 quotes, and a newsletter, all from one piece of content. And because AI can remember and maintain your brand voice, your content becomes consistent across all platforms. This unlocks massive scale with minimal effort. AI assistants are extremely powerful for research and strategic planning, the work that normally takes hours or requires specialized knowledge. You can ask AI to validate a niche, analyze supply and demand, identify gaps in the market, or forecast potential revenue. It can study competitors' websites, content, pricing, and reviews to uncover opportunities where you can outperform them. AI can also generate keyword clusters for SEO, find long-tail search queries, and map out entire content strategies. When you want to build a digital product, AI can evaluate whether people are actually looking for it. When planning your marketing, it can generate funnels, campaigns, buyer personas, and messaging frameworks. With these abilities, AI becomes your strategist, not just your assistant. AI assistants are also incredible at handling business operations, saving you time and freeing you from repetitive tasks. They can write and reply to emails in your tone, summarize long documents or meeting notes, and create SOPs, workflows, scripts, and templates. They can also build customer support responses, refunds guidelines, FAQ pages, onboarding instructions, and chat replies for your business. For admin tasks, AI can help you track deadlines, generate reminders, prepare content calendars, organize research, and categorize information. Instead of spending hours each day on low-value work, AI handles the heavy lifting so you can focus on income-generating tasks. This operational support is what allows one person to manage multiple passive income streams without feeling overwhelmed. The secret to unlocking the full power of AI assistance is learning how to prompt effectively. Always give context, explain who you are, who your audience is, and what you want to achieve. Provide examples when you want a specific tone or structure. Don't accept the first output. Refine it, give feedback, and iterate until it matches your vision. Over time, create prompt templates you can reuse for blogs, scripts, product descriptions, emails, or research tasks. These templates become productivity multipliers. And most importantly, treat AI as a collaborative partner, not just a tool. Ask it questions, brainstorm ideas together, refine strategies, and explore new possibilities. The more intentional you are with your interactions, the higher the quality of your content, products, and business systems.